My name is Taylor Bell, and this is eSIM Studios.
Yeah. Woo.
I just need my space right now.
Fresh off the G5 jet, I'm on my way to a brand new kit.
All right, I want to welcome everybody in on this Christmas Eve edition of eSIM Studios. Now, it's not I'm not doing a daily tech news. What I came across is something very interesting, and I want you, everybody watching, to participate. It's free of charge. It's just a sample test, right? So I'm sure all of you are aware of MKBHD. His YouTube, he's, I guess, got the most popular, at least I think subscriber wise, biggest tech YouTube channel, right? And he gets you get a lot of benefits being a ginormous tech channel. Look, we just hit, I think, 50 or 51,000 subscribers, and just now companies are reaching out to us for sponsorships and case reviews and stuff like that. But when you have the biggest tech channel, look, he has access to every single smartphone on the market here in the US, worldwide, doesn't matter. So he does a blind camera test. Well, actually, you do. You perform the blind camera test. That's what's so cool about it. So, and he's done this every year, I think. I want to say for the last few years, maybe 3-4 years, where he'll get every smartphone released from that year. So he has every smartphone from 2023, and they basically set up a website. It's his website, but you do a camera comparison where you, the viewer and or participant, they put up a series of pictures, and you simply select which one is better, and then they pull up another pair. Which one is better? Pull up another pair. Which one is better? And at the very end, it gives you your personalized results, what you think takes the best photos. And it's sort of like an elimination round, because some photos you see at the beginning that you selected as the best photo, I can kind of recognize some of them. They'll show up later, and what that's doing is it's testing. Okay, is this one better? This one better? Is this one better? This one better? And they'll put the ones that you select better, up against the other ones that you select better, and then at the end they'll give you a final result. It's very interesting. I'm going to show you how it's set up, but I also want to discuss what this means, because my results shocked me. They were shocking. And I know I came across somebody that has a Pixel 8 Pro, and they chose it because it was the best camera, and his results gave him the Pixel 7a as his very best camera smartphone as far as photo quality. He was shocked. He's like, "Why the hell am I buying $1,000 phone when I can go get a Pixel 7a for like $250 on eBay?" Trust me, you're going to want to take this. Now, I'm going to walk you through it and show you how it works, and then after this video, go down to the link in the description, and you can take the test yourself. It makes me wonder, because my results, like I said, I had just crazy. It makes you wonder, how do you choose what smartphone to buy? Are you a fanboy? Are you stuck on Google and all you choose is Pixel? Do you love Samsung and that's all you buy regardless? Or do you really choose the best the best camera smartphone as far as picture quality, which makes it hard too, because when a new phone comes out, it's not like you can go test it or anything, right? Now you do research on YouTube like I do. And what I'm trying to help everybody, all the viewers with as well, just putting everything out there, honest assessment, and you be the judge, basically. So this is a perfect example. Let me show you the devices that they had here. Let's see where are we? Okay, so here's a list of devices that was shown. Now, part of it's cut off on my screen, but I got a screenshot here. So we got, look at this. Just look at all these. Now, it does have Android. It does have iPhone. So we got Xiaomi, Asus, Fairphone. It's got iPhone, iPhone 15 Pro, Moto Razr Plus. It's got the Nothing Phone 2, OnePlus 11, OnePlus Open, Open Find X6 Pro, Pixel 7a, Pixel 8 Pro, Pixel Fold, S23, S23 Ultra, Z Flip 5, Z Fold 5, Xperia 1V, Vivo X90 Pro, and the Asus ROG Phone 7. Those are all the photos you will go through, but here's the deal. You're not going to know what's what. That's why it's called a blind test, right? Let me show you basically how this works. I did a screen record of the test, right? Now, let me tell you, it doesn't take 2 or 3 minutes. Like, it'll take you a good 30 minutes to do. Just fair warning. It's funny because at the beginning, you'll take longer trying to compare the photos. It took me like 45 minutes. If I would have known it was 30 minutes, I would have only spent like 5 or 10 seconds on each selection and move forward. Don't get too detailed as far as, here's the test, right? I mean, you do want to be detailed. What is the best looking to you? So that one looks clear. The top one was foggy. This one looks better. This one looks foggy, right? So you double tap. Whether you're on your mobile device, you can do this on your phone, on a tablet, or on the desktop. Anyone, doesn't matter. But this is how it goes, right? So as you can tell, there's a progress bar on the bottom. Now they have 3 sections. They have best overall, meaning just regular point and shoot camera in regular lighting. That's one category. The second category is best low lighting, so best night sight camera. And then the third and final category is portrait mode, best portrait mode. And you'll simply just do this for each segment. You can do one at a time, or you can do all 3. It doesn't matter, but at least get through one to see what your results are. Or if you got 30 minutes, and remember, don't take too long on each one because it'll take you forever. So I think the average person should take 30 minutes. Now that's doing all of the tests, right? So I think one segment should take about 10 minutes, 10, 12 minutes, something like that, 15 at the most. But all 3, you should be able to get through it in a average sit down. But that's what it looks like. Am I going to adjust my future phone purchases depending on what these results are? You want to see my results? Here's what I chose. Okay, so best overall, just point and shoot. I went to his YouTube channel, or if you go to his website, which I'll give you in a second, it says that it's just point and shoot. There's no behind the scenes trickery going on where one photo is professionally edited and the other one is not. No, it's just point, shoot. Point, shoot. So my best overall camera, regular daylight, the Google Pixel Fold. Would not have been my first guess. Definitely not OnePlus 11, and definitely not the Moto Razr Plus. Wow, that came out of left field. Now I'm not going to go run and buy any. Pixel Fold is too expensive, and I'm not wild about that device. OnePlus 11, I like. But I don't have any desire to get it, and I'm not a fan of Motorola at all. But those were the best photos that I selected, so it is what it is. Now that's best overall. Let's go to best low light and or night sight. What do we got here? Asus Zenfone 10. Definitely coming out of left field. All of these are. Second place for low light night sight is the ROG Phone 7 from Asus. And the third best night sight photos that I picked was the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, which is a pretty good device. I'm looking forward. I do want to get one of their new ones. I just haven't. So let's check out the portrait mode. The portrait mode went to the Pixel 8 Pro. Now, it does take phenomenal portrait modes in selfie mode and in the rear camera, but these are all done with rear cameras. The Vivo X90 Pro came in second place, and the Google Pixel 7a came in third place for best portrait mode. So let me show you how this works. I want everybody to go over there and just give it a try, right? Because trust me, there's going to be phones like you've never even considered or thought even had a good phone, like that Motorola. What was it? Motorola Razr Plus? What the hell was that? Yeah, Moto Razr Plus. I thought that was a shitty camera, right? Like, I wouldn't even think twice about putting that. Look, this scored better than the S23 Ultra in my assessment. So shocking. But hey, I guess it is what it is. But look, my opinions on what the best photos are going to be different than your opinions, and that's why it's individually needs to be taken. Because, and that's why, look, there's so much like online, and look, I love to troll Apple and iPhone people and stuff like that, but it makes you think twice, right? Because what I think is good is not what you think is good, and vice versa. Or what I think is good is not what they think is good, right? And so it's all now. There's some that look real shitty. Like there's some that look like the lens needs to be wiped. Like I wish I could find out which devices those were. I want to see what scored at the bottom, because that's almost just as interesting, because some of those photos were horrible. But let me show you what it looks like. So here's the website. Let me go over here. So here's the website right here. Blind smartphone camera test. And I will put this in the description box so everybody can go take it. How it works. 20 smartphones have been randomized and assigned a letter. All of them take the same photo. You'll be shown a comparison side by side or up and down. And you pick the better photo until a statistically significant winner emerges. The smartphones behind each letter will be revealed in an upcoming video. So he's going to make a video about this. Probably, I'm sure it'll be released here in the next week or so. Let's see what they got. Categories. So like I mentioned, standard, just regular point and shoot photos. This is the photo of him that you select. Low light photo has him on top of his studio, I'm assuming. And then portrait mode has him inside a studio. All three different looks. All three about the same distance minus the low lighting. And you just simply hit start on this one and it'll get started. You know, pretty basic. Now, let's see here. How to vote. Use your left or right arrow keys to pick the better quality image for your desktop. Double tap on an image if you're on a phone or a tablet. Submitting your votes. Vote until you hit the first marker and then submit your results. Hitting all three markers will produce the most accurate results for your test. So just go all the way through, as I mentioned. Until you see the status marker hit all the way to the right side, which is the end. And you will get the results. As I mentioned, very interesting. I don't think it's going to change my outlook as far as I may think twice before I say, you know, a phone is shitty, or I don't ever really say that. I mean, look, it depends on what the user wants, right? That's why these manufacturers put out different types of phones, different prices of phones. But it's a good point that you're not, you know, look, the S23 or the S24 Ultra that's coming out, going to be $1,200, may not have the very, very best camera. Pixel 8 Pro, which, you know, it might change the way I look at it, because sometimes in my videos I'll go back and watch them. Every now and then I'll mention Pixel with the very best camera. Now, I guess technically it's true, because mine did win best overall. Or wait, did it? Or was it the Fold? I think it was the Fold. Oh no, yeah. Mine did portrait. Pixel 8 Pro was the best on portrait in my voting, and the Pixel Fold was the best overall. So I guess technically they still got the best camera in my eyes, right? That's key in my eyes. But Samsung, sometimes, look, I mean, but it varies, right? There's some photos that this S23 Ultra takes that looks better than the Pixel 8 Pro. It just does. So look, is it possible? Sure, but I think overall, that's why that's why the voting takes a while, because they're comparing this photo. You know, they're putting it up like a bracket, like college, like March Madness type deal behind the scenes. But go check it out. Very interesting, as I mentioned. And just something a little cool stuff, right? No, I don't have anything to review. Oh yeah, check it out. I have what I'm going to put out in the next couple of days. I have a iPhone 15 Pro case review. I have the Galaxy Buds FE review, and I'm also going to review this portable monitor from Innocent as well. So I have, and I'm going to do some app reviews. There's a couple app reviews I want to do that I'm going to get into here. So over the next few days, I'll be busy, and I'm actually going to record one of them right now and probably put it out for tomorrow's video. So thank you very much. There's no slowing down over here, but I do want to wish everybody a happy holidays and Merry Christmas, and please be safe and have fun, right? That's what matters, and enjoy your time. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace out. Go to the description box. It's down below. Oh, don't forget our CMF Pro, our giveaway, our Christmas giveaway is tonight. It ends tonight. So please go to the description box below and enter our free giveaway, bi-weekly giveaway. Every 2 weeks, we have a free tech item that we give away. But you have to go to eSIMstudios.com, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see the entry form right there. So don't forget, it ends tonight. I'm going to email some lucky winner tomorrow morning. That's our Christmas present to y'all. Peace out.